boy, laying it backwards on that one. Seth Beaton looking good out there tonight. Brody Wilson. Oh, kiss of death. KOD from Brody. What do you say for him?